Introducing OpenRock, air conduction headphones with superior sound and unrivaled comfort. OpenRock fits exactly the way you need it to. The patented customizable ergonomic ear hook allows you to enjoy music and exercise without worrying about the headphones falling off. Cycling, running, training. Utilizing patented tube-based technology, OpenRock are air conduction headphones that deliver sound directly into your ear without vibrations. Listen to pure and smooth sound quality while safely staying aware of your surroundings. OpenRock provides extended battery life for 19 hours of playback. IPX5 waterproof rated for rain, sweat, and other tough conditions. Enjoy up to 46 hours of superior sound per charge. OpenRock, the new wave of headphone.